start performing for you tomorrow. So please be there right here from 6 p.m. Well, for now we have a quick sound check of the band, and then immediately we will have the second round of the fashion show. Up next we have a fashion show. This is the fourth round of the fashion show, and this is a gold round. The fashion designer of this round is Miss Vinisha Giroti, and we have some beauties that are going to captivate the stage now for you. Please relish every bit of it.